Hello everyone, welcome into JMeter tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to explore the JMeter graphical user interface. In previous tutorial, I have explained about the folders in JMeter. Open the Apache JMeter 5.6.3. In previous tutorial, I have explained about the bin docs extra slim license folder. So let's begin. Open the bin folder. Inside this bin folder, you can open the JMeter by using Apache JMeter executable jar file. Simply, you can open the JMeter by using JMeter Windows batch file. Open this Windows batch file. Then here you can view this is the graphical user interface of JMeter. In this CMD file you can view don't use mode for load testing, only for test creation and test debugging. It means you can only create test case and debugging in the graphical user interface, and for performing load testing use the command line. Let's explore these options in JMeter. In first, when you open the JMeter, you will view this interface. First is a test plan. Inside this plan, you can view the properties, the test plan properties. Here you can change the plan name and you can add here name and value. Let's right click add. You can create a thread group inside this. In upcoming tutorial, I will explain about this number of threads and this configuration. Inside this thread group, you can add the logic controller like transaction controller. In file option, you can create a new file, and in template option you can use the predefined templates. In previous tutorial I have explained the templates. You can view the templates here in the bin folder and templates. These are the predefined templates you can use. You just need to import these templates and simply you can use in JMeter. Same, you can merge the test case, save file and save test plan and save selection as. In file option, you can also restart the JMeter. In edit option, you can cut and copy paste. You can create the test plan, duplicate and save as test fragment and disable. Suppose you want to disable this option, which is transaction controller, simply click on disable. In JMeter, you can enable and disable the element by right click and click on disable. In the search option, you can search any option element in this tree and replace by using these options. In the run options, start and start now pauses options are available. Either you can clear or you can clear all. In the options, you can use the log viewer. After click on log viewer, here when the test running, the log will generate here, and SSL manager options are available in JMeter. Simply you can change the value here. Multiple languages are available, English, French. You can simply change the value, change this value from here. And zoom in and zoom out options both are available. You can zoom out and zoom in by using these options. In the help section, helps are available. what this not enable debugging, disable debugging, and if you want to know about the Apache JMeter, in the documentations are available after clicking on this about JMeter, and these are the useful links like release notes, create an issue. If you need any help related to the JMeter, these are the useful links. These are the few quick options available in JMeter. If you hover on this here, this is the new option, and some are the templates are available in JMeter. You can reload the templates and merge and cancel. These are the predefined templates are available in JMeter. If you want to save the any test, simply just click on the save. Your test will be saved. It will ask for location where you want to save the file. JMeter file always save with .jmx extension, and these are the file type which is .jmx. Here open option are available. If you want to open any test in JMeter, just click on this open and open your save test here. This cut option available, copy and paste option available. If you want to run your test, this option are available to start, then your test will be start. These are the clean option. After running the test, suppose you want to clear the result, you can simply click on this clear all option. These are the search option and reset search function, help dialog, and if I click on this here, you can view the JMeter UI defaults, applying font scale factor. That is for today's tutorial on JMeter Graphical User Interface. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to SK World